Follow these steps to replace your Greenlite Seed card reader with a new Greenlite Engage card reader. You will need your Greenlite kit as well as an 11/32 nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, zip ties, and then a blade to cut zip ties. Make sure the machine is powered off and unplugged. Then disconnect the antenna from the telemetry device by unscrewing the connection. Next, remove the antenna from the top of the machine by unscrewing the antenna from the inside of your machine. Take off the antenna from the top of your machine. Now remove the telemetry device from inside your machine. Now unplug the MDB harness. Currently, the MDB harness is connecting the telemetry device to both the coin mech and the control board. Then unplug the card reader from the telemetry device. Find the DEX cable, unplug it here. Next, find the back of the card reader and remove these 4 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. You will need these screws when installing the new Greenlite ePort card reader. Then remove the card reader from the front of the machine. Use an 11/32 nut driver to remove these 4 nuts so you can take off this Greenlite seed plate. If you're renting your seed card reader, it will need to be deactivated on your account so that you will not receive reoccurring charges for that device. Open the Greenlite kit and take out the card reader. Please read the instructions that came with your Greenlite kit to better understand your installation. These are the parts that come in your Engage card reader kit. You must use these 6 items from the kit: the Engage device, the NPC4 cable, the antenna, the DEX AB cable, the MDB cable, and the bracket for the back of the card reader. Next, place the back plate onto the card reader. Make sure the gasket part goes onto the card reader, and these holes are at the top, and these holes are at the bottom. Use the 4 Phillips screws from the Engage kit and attach the back plate to the card reader. Plug in the MDB harness, whose male part will fit into the card reader's female end, and plug in the extension cord here. Next, plug in the DEX harness to the back of the card reader here. Now we will attach the antenna to the top of the machine. Pop off the cover here. Then unscrew and remove the nut from the bottom of the antenna. Hold on to the nut while you run the antenna wires down through the top of the cabinet. Place the antenna on the top. Now take the nut and run the wires through it so you can screw it in the cabinet, under the antenna here, securing it in place. And then integrate the new card reader into the MDB network by establishing these 3 new connections with wires from the card reader. Plug in the DEX harness from the card reader. Now use zip ties to tidy up the harnesses so they do not disrupt the machine operation. Now turn your machine on to boot up your device.